Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will be changing tires of my vehicle with the winter tires. I had to do it today despite of running out as there is a prediction of heavy snow tomorrow and we have planned to go somewhere tomorrow evening. At the same time, I will be quite busy tomorrow with other priority tasks. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So, very critical point here. Note that your tires should be already mounted on the rim, otherwise, it could be very tough. First thing first, safety is the topmost priority. So, ensure that you have proper safety gears with you. For example, you should have good boots, you should have gloves, and and I will be jacking up the tires in 2 or 3 stages. So first I will be jacking up the vehicle uh, stage number 1 where the tire will not be leaving the ground. So basically there will be less weight on the tire, and that time I will try to loosen up the bolts or nuts. Point number 2, to see if the tire has already left the ground or not, don't put your hand. Instead you can use these iron rods uh, to see it, and then loosen up the tires like this. At this stage we will jack up the vehicle a bit more so that the tire should leave the ground. So here we need to lift it a bit more, and here we can see that the tire has left the ground. At this stage we will be loosening the nuts of the tire, and now take out the tires and keep it aside. And moving to the second stage of the process, this is our winter tire. As you can see, it has different design which helps it to grip the road better. So before you mount it on, ensure that there is no dust on the bolts. So better you clean it with the clean clothes. In case you feel that the tire is too heavy to lift, you can make use of your foot like this. So you can put the tire on your foot like this and try to lift it gently. Once it is set on the bolt, put the bolts, and obviously you can just hand tight it. You don't need to put lot of pressure here, but just try to use the star technique to tighten it. Here you can use the tool which comes with your tire, and now it is time to bring down your car. Now full pressure is on the tires. So now this is the time when we will be using the torque wrench. This will ensure that the nuts are tightened as per the company's specification. For my vehicle, I'm setting this torque to 95 foot-pound. As discussed last time, we will again here be using the star technique to tighten the nuts. And as I said, torque wrench will ensure that we are putting enough pressure on this bolt. Here I am tightening these nuts once again, just to ensure they are really properly tightened. And this is all about replacing the tire. Now you need to repeat the same process for other 3 tires as well. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with others. I will see you in next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself.